No, you go talk to him.
No, I don't. You don't
You
tell
don't
me.
have to get to talk.
Okay,
please,
put your hands behind
please.
your back.
No,
Yeah.
please.
What's going on? Just so you know,
That man pushed me.
what man?
That black man right there.
There's not a black man right there. What's your name?
Sarah.
Huh?
Sarah. I have
Sarah?
nothing left to say.
Sarah, well, you don't get the choice of leaving, Sarah. We're talking. I have to investigate why we got called, okay?
I just need to shut that door so I'm in a dark room so I can shut
Sarah,
I'm just walking, minding my own business. I'm trying to yell for him to help me, and he thought I said the N-word. I have mixed kids. I have mixed babies. I have a lot going on. I'm doing me. I have court next
Slide
month.
over here so we're not in the middle of
No,
their
you're
walkway.
fine now. I just needed to get that door closed.
You're good.
Will you step over
I've
here?
dealt with you guys before. I have nothing left to.
So did you throw a bottle?
No. A bottle dropped on the ground because it's heavy and he wouldn't help me. But other than that, I know better.
What kind of bottle?
It's a Hardita bottle.
Huh?
I'm taking him to my house. It's hot. I'm hot.
I see that. I see that you're sweating. But we got a call that you threw a bottle at somebody.
So? I didn't do it.
Okay. Even if
Don't you think I know better?
I don't know.
I've dealt with you guys long enough.
Well, I've never
I've
met
been
you.
abused and hurt. My kids took. How is Ms. Anderson supposed to be getting her bond if you guys are doing your job? I have dealt with you and cried and cried and cried. Please.
So who's the black guy?
I don't know who he is.
A black guy hit you and caused that bruise?
Well, it didn't get any better.
When's that from?
Last week.
Okay.
A couple of days ago.
Okay. Have you been
But it
using
wasn't that
anything
black-
illegal today?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Yesterday?
No.
You use anything?
No.
I don't know you, so that's why I
No.
have to ask.
I was just pulled over a couple of weeks ago.
Okay. That happens. Do you have your ID with you?
No, it's gone.
Okay. What's your name?
Sarah.
With or no H?
Yes.
What? Stay over here.
I need him. Dude, I have nothing left to say to you guys.
Well, you do.
I don't.
Okay.
And I don't have
I
to.
can put you in handcuffs too. Okay?
And I still don't have to say anything to you.
You don't. You're right. I'm trying to get your information so we can figure out what's going on. Okay.
No, you got your information.
I have some information.
You got your information.
Okay.
Ma'am, please help me.
Sarah,
Please.
I'm gonna say this one more time.
Please.
Until we figure out what's going on.
No, you go talk to him.
No, I don't. You don't
You
tell
don't have
me.
to get to talk.
Okay,
please,
put your hands behind
please.
your back.
No,
Yeah.
please. Don't grab me like that, prick.
Do
You
not,
just hurt my baby.
do not hit me.
You just
Put your
hurt-
hands behind your back.
No. You just hurt my baby. I'm pressing charges. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
10-1 customer.
No, he hurt my baby.
Stand up.
You just hurt my baby.
Put your shoe on. Okay.
He's an immigrant. He just hurt my baby.
Everything's on camera.
Everything's on camera back there, so.
Walk.
Don't hurt my child.
Your actions is what's leading to this happening.
Why isn't he getting arrested too? Why isn't he getting? He just hurt me. I don't understand.
What's wrong with him?
Sir, he just hurt my child.
What's wrong with him?
Why didn't you guys arrest him? Why? Why?
Why did you try to swing at me?
Because I've dealt with you guys before.
Oh, okay. You want to check her real quick?
Shut. Did you arrest him too?
I don't know who him is that you keep alleging because your story is all over the place.
So you're arresting me, not him? Excuse you? You horrible, rotten man.
Okay, I'll be a horrible, rotten man. Walk around this tree and get in the car. Sit down. Sit down.
Please don't do this.
Get in the car.
Please.
Get in the car. You pleading is not going to change anything.
You can
get
do
in the
anything
car.
you want.
You can get in the car.
It's hot.
Get in the car. There's AC in the car. Put your feet in. Crying ain't gonna change shit. Get your feet in.
That doesn't change your position. You didn't arrest that man?
It's not over.
Why didn't you arrest him?
What do you got so far?
A tweaker.
We probably have domestic charges on her. I'm guessing if we can figure out who her boyfriend is and if
So
it's
she,
actually her boyfriend or not.
she didn't make any sense.
Okay.
When I walked in, she lifts her shorts thing to show me this massive bruise that's been there for a while. I can't get any information out of her. She said there's a black man who he came at me because he thought I said the N-word. I have mixed children.
Okay.
Where do you stay at?
I'm homeless.
Okay. So where do you stay at?
Streets.
Just the streets.
Can't go to my mom's because you put an OP on her.
Where the shoes that you were wearing, do you know who those belong to?
Those are mine.
Those big
How
ones?
dare you even accuse?
What am I accusing you of?
That those aren't even my shoes. Well, I gave you the right.
Well, do you know that Hispanic gentleman right there? Because he has them in his possession. He's saying they're his roommates. That's why I'm asking you these questions so I can figure
There's
this
two
stuff
different
out.
pairs. There's a navy blue pair and there's a black pair.
The ones that you were wearing, that you kicked off in there, that guy right there has them. Do you know who that guy is?
An immigrant.
The Hispanic guy standing right
immigrant?
there. Do you know
An
him?
immigrant.
So you don't know him?
An immigrant.
Okay.
His whole family's an immigrant.
That's fine.
No, it's not. Because they're supposed to all be deported.
Not necessarily.
Yes.
What if he's here legally?
I know he ain't.
How?
That's fine.
Oh, okay. So, Sarah, go ahead.
Your name Dasha?
No.
You're not Dasha Anderson?
No.
You sure? Are you lying? Yes, you are or no?
No.
So that's
When's the ambulance coming?
ex-girlfriend,
Pretty soon.
their ex-boyfriend, girlfriend.
Him and her? Okay.
They went to Jimmy John's to get something to eat. She got upset for whatever reason. Telling her that he didn't have
No, because I dropped. I needed help carrying that stuff because
He
I'm.
got upset, crossed the street, grabbed one of those bottles, threw it at somebody over here.
Don't you think I
He
know
doesn't
better?
know if he didn't know if he hit him, but he did.
Is that black man being arrested too? I hope so.
Okay.
How are you gonna arrest me and not them?
Was she fighting with other people?
No.
So, supposedly, her and him were in an argument in the parking lot over there, and
Yeah.
she threw a bottle
Look at
at
my leg!
some other person.
She threw a bottle at a black dude.
She's got tattoos listed.
Get away from me, you monsters.
Imagine walking into a bar on a hot summer night. The air is heavy. People are irritated. Everyone's patience is already thin. Then a disturbance breaks out. Someone is yelling. Someone is crying. Someone is pointing fingers. And by the time police arrive, the story has already fractured into pieces that don't quite fit together. On July 16th, 2025, officers are dispatched to a local bar after reports of a woman causing a disturbance. What they walk into isn't a clear crime scene. It's emotional chaos. The woman immediately positions herself as the victim. That man pushed me. When asked to identify him, she points vaguely and says, "That black man right there." There is no black man standing there. From the very beginning, something is off. Her name is Sarah. She's agitated, sweating, talking rapidly. She repeatedly says she has nothing left to say, right? While continuing to talk nonstop. She demands to be left alone, yet simultaneously demands help. This contradiction defines the entire encounter. The officers explain something simple. She doesn't get to walk away yet. They were called for a reason, and they need to figure out what happened. Sarah doesn't accept this. She tries to retreat into a dark room. She insists she just wants to shut a door. She claims she was yelling for help and was misunderstood. She introduces unrelated details into the conversation: her children, her past experiences with police, how much she's been hurt before. None of it answers the core question. Did she throw a bottle? She says no, then immediately reframes it. The bottle didn't get thrown. It dropped. It was heavy. Someone wouldn't help her carry it. She insists she knows better than to throw things, but officers didn't show up for nothing. Multiple people reported a bottle being thrown at someone. That's not an accident. That's an allegation of assault. As officers try to pin down details, her story begins to unravel. She points to a bruise and claims a man caused it, but then admits the bruise is from last week, or maybe a few days ago. The timeline shifts, the explanation shifts, the alleged attacker changes. When asked about substance use, she denies everything. When asked for ID, she doesn't have it. When asked for basic information, she becomes defensive. At this point, officers aren't deciding guilt. They're trying to establish reality, and reality keeps moving. She repeatedly references race, claiming a black man attacked her, then later saying she doesn't know who he is. She mentions immigrants, as she insists certain people should be arrested instead of her. Every accusation is external. Nothing is her responsibility. As the officers continue to investigate, Sarah becomes more frantic. She begs. She pleads. She cries. Then she resists. When an officer attempts to place her in handcuffs to detain her while sorting out the situation, she pulls away. She screams. She accuses officers of hurting her child, even though no child is present. This is a critical legal moment. Once someone physically resists lawful detention, the situation changes. What was a disturbance becomes resisting arrest. Officers give clear commands. Put your hands behind your back. She refuses. She swings. At that moment, the decision is no longer optional. She is placed under arrest. Even as she's escorted to the patrol car, she continues to argue the premise of reality itself. Why didn't you arrest him? Why am I being arrested? He hurt my baby. But there is no him. No consistent suspect. No corroboration. Her story is all over the place, as one officer puts it plainly. Inside the patrol car, the pattern becomes clearer. She's homeless. She doesn't know where she's staying. She can't explain whose shoes she was wearing. She refers to people only by race or immigration status. She cycles through identities, accusations, and grievances without grounding any of them in facts. Officers begin piecing together what likely happened. She was arguing with a man in the parking lot, possibly a boyfriend or ex-boyfriend. She became upset. She picked up a bottle and threw it. It may or may not have hit someone, but it was enough to prompt multiple calls. Instead of calming down when police arrived, she escalated, and escalation has consequences. In the end, Sarah is charged with criminal trespassing and resisting arrest, not because of who she is, not because of what she claims happened, but because of what she did when officers tried to investigate. This video is a stark reminder that emotional distress does not override the law. Trauma does not excuse violence, and refusing to cooperate does not make problems disappear. It multiplies them. Police didn't arrive looking to arrest her. They arrived looking for answers. What they found was chaos, contradiction, and resistance. And in situations like this, once reality is rejected, the outcome becomes inevitable. Sometimes, the most dangerous thing at a scene isn't the alleged crime. It's the refusal to let the truth settle.